it's no secret these days that there's attractive people and there's ugly people. And I mean, we can all be attractive, I guess. I mean, most of us can. I mean, there's some people who are like so ugly that they're just hopeless, but that's rare. So, I mean, that's like 2%, 4%, 10, 20% of the population. You do not fall in that percentage. Well, I mean, if you want to be attractive, I mean, everybody does. Just listen to me. I mean, I am so good at it. The first thing I recommend you do is go to Sephora or Ulta, and if you can't afford those places, Walmart, and buy a shit ton of makeup. Because let's face it, you're not naturally beautiful, and you do not wake up like this. So, and the best thing to do is cake the shit on, like cake the makeup on, because you don't want any of your natural beauty to show, because you have none. So the makeup's gonna do work. A lot of work. Oh, and you can get like contour if you want, like a contour set. Because if you have a big nose, you can just contour the shit out of it, and basically, it's a nose job every day. You'll have a smaller nose. I mean, I just saved you $7,000. You're welcome. The next thing you need to do is bleach the shit out of your teeth. And I recommend Crest whitening strips, or you can just get some cheap-ass toothpaste and just brush your teeth like 3 times a day like the dentist tells you to do. I mean, nobody wants crusty, stanky yellow teeth. So, you need to bleach them. Yeah. I recommend it. Yeah. Okay, stop smiling. Next thing is, you should probably shower. Because that's probably one of the biggest things. Because when you smell, nobody wants to be around you, and nobody will like you, because you're gonna be smelly. I remember when I was in high school, there was this kid who sat in front of me. Yeah, he smelled like shit every day, and no one wanted to be friends with him, and his hair was always greasy, and oh my gosh. Yeah, no, you don't want to be that kid. Do you want to be that kid in high school who sits alone, but you have to sit, oh man, gross. No, shower, just hop in. It's 5 minutes, 5 minutes in, 5 minutes out. Next, you need to get some new fucking clothes, because you wearing that same hoodie every day and the same sweatpants every day is doing you no favors. You may think no one notices, but we notice. We notice that you wear the same thing every day. We may not know you, but we're judging you. Next, if you're like not gifted with like a natural glow in your skin, you should probably go tanning. Yeah, because no one wants some pale ass skin rubbing up against them. That is disgusting. Okay, like picture this. You're taking off your shirt and you're all pale and shit. Not the cutest thing. And when you're tan, you look thinner and you look more muscular. It makes everything pop. When you're pale as fuck, you look like a snowman with a little belly. Ugh. I mean, if none of this stuff works for you, I know a great plastic surgeon. So just contact me if you need one. But first try this. I mean, it'll save you like 20 grand. Yeah. I mean, looking at your face, probably 40. Is the camera going? Oh, shit! Yeah, it is! Hey, take 1,772